Today we're doing the partial quotient method. This is a method that uses division to help them solve the question. So, for this one, they're using facts they know of fives to help them solve the division problem. The problem we have today is 675 divided by 5. Now, using the facts they know, they can use a variety of different facts to get them to the right answer. We encourage our students to use extended facts and easy number facts like tens or multiples of tens because it allows them to have less work regarding subtraction so they don't get carried away in a mistake. So, my facts I know my 5 times 1 equals 5. However, if I take away 5 this whole time, it's going to take much too long. So they know their extended facts is all they have to do is add a 0. So if they know 5 times 1, they know 5 times 10. And that would be 50 because all they had to do was add a 0. They know their next extended fact because they could take away 50s, but there's a closer one. This 600 is in the hundreds place, so they're trying to see a multiple of 5 that would get them closest to the hundreds place. If not, they would use the less extended fact. But we can use a bigger one because 5 times 100 equals 500. They know their multiples because all they're doing is adding 0. So 500 is less than 675, so they can take 500 away. We use the strategy of factor-factor product. Both factors stay on the outside and the inside is taking away the product. So 5 is one factor. The other factor that we want to use that's closest to our answer is 100. 5 times 100 is 500. Each step is using two different ways. They are using division, multiplication, and then subtracting. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Now they have to see how many 5s fit into 175 using their facts. Now we've taught them an estimation skill that they're able to use. If you take off that back number, it gives you a rough estimate to work with. How many 5s fit into 17? They think they know their 5 facts. They know that 5 times 3 equals 15. Now, we want to get to that hundreds place, but using their extended facts, they can do so. They can do 5 times 30 equals 150. All they had to do was add a 0 to make it to the hundreds place. Now, they can take away 150 from 75 to get close, making sure they have their factor on the other side. The factor they used to get 150 or close was 30. So you're doing factor-factor product. 5 times 30 equals 150. When you subtract that out, you get 25. Now, they know their 5's facts that 5 times 5 equals 25. Now, my answer or product is 25. My factors I'm going to be using are 5 and 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So when you subtract that out, you're left with 0. So you have nothing remaining that is left as 0. So to find the answer, they add the factors to make their quotient or answer. 135 with a remainder 0 is their answer.